How to create beautiful timer with Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Open up the Effects panel, expand Tools, and click on Shape. Add an ellipse, an outline, and a render node to the composition and connect them to the media out. Select the outline and set its thickness to 0.003. Select the ellipse and in the Style tab, set its color to a gray color. Then select the ellipse and outline nodes and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Click anywhere empty to deselect them and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Connect the output of copied outline to the output of first outline to make a merge node. Now select the second outline and click on this small dot to set thickness to 0.1. Select the second ellipse and change its color to a color you like. Now add a Text Plus node and connect its output to the render output to create a merge node. Select the text node, then right-click on the text box and select timecode. At the bottom, increase right on start value until you can see only seconds and frames. Now change the font and other properties of the text to your liking and position the text in the center of the ellipse. Now select the second outline, the duplicate one. By using the length property, we can animate this ellipse. Set the length to 0, and set position to 0.25. Move the playhead to the start of the composition, and click on the diamond button next to length to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead only 6 frames forward and set length to 1 to create the second keyframe. Here we created the animation, but the ellipse fills up so fast. That's because we used only 6 frames for the animation, and that's because I want to add a keyframe stretcher so that on the edit page I can change the size of this composition however I want. Now click on the render node, then press Shift+space, search for keyframe stretcher, and add it after the render node. Select the keyframe stretcher node and set source start to 0 and source end to 6, put the 0 and 6 for the below inputs as well. And now the animation lasts for the entire length of the composition. Now go back to the edit page and drag the composition into timeline. And we have it. The good thing about this timer is that because we used keyframe stretcher, we can increase or decrease the length of it, and it still works fine. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.